how to stop phone contacts from finding you on Snapchat, how to turn off your phone sync or contact sync on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you or show you on how you can stop phone contacts from finding you on Snapchat, or how you can disable the contact syncing on Snapchat. Now the process is simple. You want to simply open up your Snapchat application, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and then you want to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once here, you want to scroll down below until you find the option contacts here. Now here you can see at the very fifth last option above the blocked option, you can see contact syncing option right below the permissions option. Simply tap on contact syncing option, and here you want to make sure this is toggled off. Now if this enabled, your contact syncing is on and your contacts will be able to find you on Snapchat through your contact. However, if you just disable this, they won't be able to find you. So this way you can stop phone contacts from finding you on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.